2 of Pune Times Fashion Week, and the very, very talented and amazing team of INSD are here with me. Congratulations to you, to all of you, for such a lovely show. I was sitting in the audience, and trust me, I thoroughly enjoyed each and every collection. There were so many varieties. Please tell us, firstly, how has your association been with Pune Times Fashion Week? Because, of course, it belongs to the Times Group.
Thank you so much, and thank you for all the appreciations. The association with Pune Times Fashion Week has been awesome, and this is our first kind of association with them. And so far, we had a great time. And the idea behind putting up this particular show was to encourage the talent of our young and budding designers. And you will be amazed to know that a few of our students are just 5 months old or just 1 year old, and they came up with all these awesome collections which you just saw. So the idea behind putting up these kind of events is to bring up their talent in front of the media, in front of the industry, in front of their own people, so that they get to know that this particular industry is booming up, and it's coming up so fast, and it's gradually growing so big. And there are so many opportunities available when you are a fashion designer, or you're a jewelry designer, or you're an interior designer, or a graphic designer. So basically what we wanted to present here was kind of the learning which the students have done so far in their courses. And if you see, there were different themes, no? If you talk about the theme sustainable fashion. So when you say sustainable fashion is one word which is so popular throughout the world at the moment, because everybody wants to go green. They want to use fabric which is, produced from various techniques, but absolutely in a very pure manner, without any chemicals. So students did a lot of research on that. They went to various markets and
they dyed their own fabrics.
cities.
They dyed their own fabrics.
Oh my God, that's
And not only that, you can say the old culture of Godari art. They have stitched few fabrics all together and have small stitches on it to make it. So I would say it's a hard work of entire 2 to 3 months. I think Times of India had given me a very short notice.
And you delivered, and how, of course, I think even if you would have been in 1 month, you would have still come up with such amazing designs.
We had sleepless nights, so we were working
In
like
fact, I would say today I'm going to go and sleep.
13 to 14 hours a day, and the students were slogging till maybe 12 at night, and then coming back at 7 in the morning. So it was not easy for all of us.
I think they used to ask us to keep the institute open the entire night, and which was again a difficult task for us, young girls till late night, parents calling them. So again, you can understand even the students and the parents both coming up to us up to 1 o'clock, up to 12 o'clock. What time would you like to send our students? So this is a creative field where I would say late nights we need to train students not only in the technical skills but even in the communication skills, and more than that, I would say how to work.
Yes,
Up to, you can say, how to work in the given time. Right, suppose today is the date. They cannot complete it 1 day prior. It has to be done 2 to 3 days prior.
True. That's lovely. And of course, what are your takes?
Yeah, I will say I would like to say we are not just making our students like they will get a good job. We are making a good entrepreneur.
Yes.
As a designer, as a successful designer.
Absolutely. That's lovely. And what are your takes on?
Yeah, hi, I'm a guest here, and for the first time I'm watching what INST has been doing, and it's a wonderful event, this Times Fashion Week. The good thing about such events is that they cover all the 3 verticals that are required to take care of design and to create awareness about it, to make sure that the students have a platform to showcase their talent, and at the same time give them opportunities further. So all the 3 verticals being taken care of at one, at one place, that's an amazing activity, and that's a great thing, and I'm very happy that Times is supporting it, and my good wishes to everybody behind the team. Well done.
Lovely. And of course, lastly, how was your experience?
I think they've pretty much said everything and covered everything. But just to add to that, I think this experience really adds to the overall, career building of a student in a creative field. And something like this is very important. And this, really nourishes and nurtures their creative side as well as their technical side. side. So, all the best wishes to all the students, and I think they all did very good work. Thanks to the Times Group, and I think we all loved it. So it was a great success, and yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. You all have, of course, spoken very, very beautifully, and I really hope to see
Thank you.
you all next year again. Thank you so much for being part of Pune Times Fashion
And
Week.
thanks to Pune Times.
Absolutely. Thank you.